Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you want extra protection for your Amazon account. Two-step verification as a second security layer. Even if someone gets your password, they can't log in. This is one of the best security features Amazon offers. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna see on how to enable the two-step verification in Amazon Shopping app or Amazon.com in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we're gonna go all the way, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go and look for Amazon.com. Tap on this link, then go all the way here. Log in using your email address and password. Then we're gonna go tap on accounts and lists. All the way to select login and security. It's time now to reuse your password so they can give you the access to the other setting. It's basically a verification method. Then find the two-step verification, then click Get Started. Choose SMS, Authenticator app, or even both, maybe another email as well. Confirm and save the changes. As for some tips, you can use some basically Authenticator app for stronger security. You also should keep backup codes saved somewhere safe. As for basically enabling the two-step verification, maybe it's especially if you store credit cards or gift cards, or maybe you are using your own bank cards to buy from Amazon. You should all the way activate it. You have no option. And that's it. Your Amazon account is now way more secure. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.